For exercise 4.3, question 16. So we have a straight line L1 and we have a straight line L2 that intersect at Q. So now we need to find out the coordinates of Q. So which means that we can set a simultaneous equations in two unknown. So I have 5x plus 2y equal to 15. And I have 4x minus y equal to 12. So I change something with the general form. So I change this negative 15 to the right hand side becomes positive, and now as I need to put all of the x and y together, so I move the y to the right becomes negative, and move the negative 12 to the left becomes positive. So now I have this simultaneous equation in two unknown, then I can just use the program 1 to substitute 5, 2, 15, 4, negative 1 and 12 to get the value of x is equal to 3 and then y is equal to 0, so that we can say the coordinate of Q is equal to 3, 0. And then for the second part B, we have K is a constant, and now we have the straight line, it passes through Q. So for passes through, which means I can just substitute, for any point passes through by a straight line, you can substitute the point into the line, which means that I can change the x becomes 3 and I can change the y becomes 0. So now what I have to do is just to substitute the q, which is 3, 0, into the straight line equation 3x plus ky minus k equal to 0. So now I have 3 times 3 plus k times 0 minus k equal to 0. So anything times 0 will give you a 0 here. And I don't want the k be the left hand side, and move it separated from the numbers. So I move the negative k to the right, becomes positive, so I have k is equal to 9.